Hi anime lovers, this is Anirudh. Today I am going to explain the reasons of the Second Ninja World War. Please watch, subscribe, like, share and comment. The Second Ninja World War was the second of four great wars involving the majority of the ninja villages and countries. Not much is known about the politics of this era, but there were known conflicts between Konagakure, led by the third Okage, Sunagakure, likely led by the third Kazekage, Amegakure, led by Hanzo of the Salamander, and Iwagakure, presumably led by third Tsuchikage. The majority of the fighting seems to have taken place in minor countries like Amegakure, leaving them devastated. The eventual outcome of the war seems to have been in favor of Konohagakure. Nagato referred to it as a war Konohagakure started. The First Ninja World War ended with an armistice treaty, but also left the five great ninja countries seriously wounded. The treaty led to a period of peace, but after about 20 years, the economic disparity between the countries had become a serious problem. The nations began to form factions, and under the pretext of expanding fair rights, the countries started using military force to expand their territories. Thus, a world war started. As with all wars, the Second Ninja World War brought forth many heroes and took even more lives. It was during this war that legendary Sannin, literally meaning legendary tree ninja, rose to fame and received their nickname from Hanzo during a skirmish with Amegakure. Tsunade in particular became famous as the world's greatest medical ninja while successfully countering all of Chiyo's poisons. Her ideas and skills revolutionized ninja squads to include medical ninja. She trained personally, increasing mission success and survival rates, a system that remains in place in the present. She is thus cited as having made great contributions to Konoha's victory, as well as the current system of all medical ninja. It is also likely that this war was where Sakumo Atake made his name as Konoha's White Fang. On the other side, it was the war where Tsunade lost her lover, Dan, leaving her with an extreme case of hemophobia. It was also during this war that Sasori's parents died, an event that eventually made him leave his village and join the Akatsuki later. At the same time, Chiyo swore vengeance against Sakumo for killing Sasori's parents. It is also likely that it was during this war Sakumo Atake would fail a mission vital to Konoha's war effort. Subsequently, he was ostracized and ultimately committed suicide, an action that would shape his son's character for years. The Amegakure orphans lost their parents during this war, leading Jiraiya to take care of them for a while, claiming it was the least he could do. One of the orphans, Nagato, would come to desire an end to war because of his experiences from this war, a purpose he used Akatsuki for. These are the reasons of the Second Ninja World War. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked my video.